If you want to change icon color on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first of all, we can go to settings. Here in settings, scroll down and go to personalization. And then here, we can open icons. Now, once you open icons, you can tap on background color in here, and you can choose one of these available colors in order to change color for some of the icons. Unfortunately, not all app icons are supported. Only some apps, unfortunately, change the appearance. As you can see, there is like a mix between colored icons and those that have been unchanged. So you might consider using a different method to change color icons, and that is simply using different icon themes. So what we can do is we can just open the themes app on our phone, and then in here we should be able to go through the list of different themes that we have available in here in the store. We can also use these categories that we have here. Let's say I'm just gonna go to free, and we can try to find a theme where we have icons and that we wish to use. So let me try to find some icons that have similar color. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. And if you like the style of icons and if you wish to use it, what you can do is you can simply download the theme from the store. Then you can tap on a customize button, and you can uncheck everything except for icons, and you can tap on apply button. There we go. So now we kept the wallpaper and everything, and we just changed the icon theme. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.